Hey, Krista here. This is part 2 of Tower series with the springs. Got some standing tower arms for you. If you're familiar with your tower unit, you should know that when you grab your springs to do your arms, you should press your arms straight until you can find your center and then be able to maintain your straight arms before you do your sequencing. I like to start with a little bit of arm presses. Just lift those arms up and down, finding the stability of your scapulas from your back, going into double arm punches, and then into your single arm boxing. I like to do rotation with it. You do not have to do rotation. It feels great though to get a stretch in the back of the body. Pressing your arms completely straight, maintaining it to lunge forward. Pressing one leg forward, lifting the heel, using your whole back leg to maintain your center. Taking your arms, flipping your palms away from you, right into shaving. From shaving, you lower your arms down, palms facing down. You go into hug a tree. From there, extending those arms right back out, taking your front foot back, and then taking your back foot front, trying to go right back into that lunge without losing your center. Going into skull crushers. From skull crushers, taking your arms straight down, palms facing the ground, going into more open closes. From your close, keep those arms straight to step your front foot back. Going back into a Pilates V, heels together, toes apart, palms facing forward, you stretch your arms out. You draw your arms back. Once you do about 5 of those, you're going to reach your arms out in front of you, keep them there, go right into arm circles. Focus on moving those scapulas from your back body into reverse arm circles. From there, draw your straps down, turn it around. I'm utilizing a short box at the very end of my tower to do my squats here. I find that it gives newer clients a little bit more stability and awareness of where they need to press their bum back to find their seat in their squat. From here, you're digging your heels down into the mat. You're drawing your upper body back. Those springs are helping you lean back into your legs, so the back of the legs do more of the work in a Pilates squat. Going into spine stretch forward. This is definitely your dessert. You deserve this from everything that you did at the beginning. Straddling the carriage, one foot on either side, or you could place your feet up against the tower bars. Keeping your arms straight, so you're using your spine to draw that bar down, and you're using your spine to draw the bar forward. Taking it into side stretch. Reaching the arm back, we also call this saw in Pilates. Following it with your eyes, drawing it underneath the body, pushing the bar back up with the opposite arm to get that nice big side lat oblique stretch, and then stretching the arm right back behind you, following it with your eyes to reverse your stretch. Single leg stretch, sending one foot onto the reformer, doing a little bit of a hamstring stretch, pushing the bar towards it, and then taking it into a piriformis stretch by bending that knee, pressing that bar back forward, and then of course switching legs. Always keeping your arms straight is what's going to use your back muscles to find that length in your legs. After that, taking one reset, pushing that bar back up, and then take a nice big upper body thoracic stretch, and you are done with your tower mat workout.